another day and another video. Today we are going to work on the stables, not the chaotic room in here, but this one. We are going to paint the floor, but before that we are going to take care of an issue we had with some unwanted guests. So we bought those ones, and hopefully that's going to sort it out. As far as internet and uploading videos, etc., we don't have any good news because basically we can't get the cable we wanted installed. So I guess we're gonna order Starlink. But before that, cue the time lapse of us, I guess maybe cleaning a bit, or maybe not a time lapse of that, but at least painting the floor. So what's happening?
So we see what the mice like. I refuse to kill it, so this is trapped.
Some sort of, it's like a buffet. Okay, let's see how that goes.
So we will catch it and release it far away from here.
So basically in here we've had them next to our trash.
Yeah.
Aren't we gonna remove all the other things? Or,
No.
Okay.
We'll see.
Okay. We'll see. So this morning we had a visitor, namely our neighbor's cat, who I think has been helping us trying to catch the mice. So far we caught 3 of them. We thought we only had 2, so I guess we were wrong. Anyway, today we are working in here, trying to get the floor ready for paint, which basically means cleaning it, removing all of these tiny stains, etc. And here's the chaos. So Anna spent the past hour and a half doing the border, where she actually painted way more than is necessary. Basically needed about that much around the whole border. Anyway, she's off to the kitchen to do some other things. I am going to finish this and then do all of that. Okay, so the floor is finished, or kind of finished. We need to go over a few patches. We ran out of paint. We bought 60 square meters worth of paint, but it lasted for about 40. So this whole homeless pile of junk is going to go here now. And we received that little box yesterday, which is the Starlink. So finally, we will have internet. So we just got another delivery. I'm not sure what it is actually. Okay, that's more paint. I'm actually a bit surprised because we were told this was going to be another week or so. So basically we are going to move all of this junk, place it here, and then clean and paint here within the next couple of days, I guess, because well, it's painting a floor when you have to enter and exit all the time is a bit difficult, especially with dogs. So we have to time that and then basically paint this piece in the morning and then not be here for the whole remainder of the day and then arrive in the evening maybe, so that we can actually walk on the floor or build some sort of contraption, which is not going to happen. So that's great news. I guess we will be able to finish the floor earlier than expected. So what I'll do is I'm going to try and place it on the roof here, attach it to these beams and see if that works. I mean, this is something we're going to use for, I don't know, a year or two before we have the fiber connection, which is not priority at all. We'll see when that happens. I mean, it depends on the city as well, but I think that's gonna work. I'll just place it on the roof, attach it, and basically tie it down, and we'll see how that goes, because it needs, I mean, Starlink, it needs fusion to space, I guess. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I pulled the cable down that opening that I'm gonna shut, then attached it temporarily where the LED light is gonna go, and then just hung it down the wall, attached it to the modem, and that was 2 minutes of work. And Anna's gonna love this installation. Probably not. And the download speeds are great. I get about 200 plus in download speeds. We have another storm incoming in a couple of days, and I am in the process of putting a tarp up, which is going to cover this bit because the rain won't be able to enter more than just the first bit here. However, the problem is I can't really reach this beam from downstairs. I could do it from up here, and I pulled these long strings and I wanted to pull it all the way over there, but I can't seem to do it because the metal beam is hitting the wood. So instead of that, I made this little contraption, which is a tarp that I've mounted to a wooden frame, which I then mounted to the metal that goes around here. So that should be sufficient for the rain and wind that's coming. And if it works or not, time will tell. Apart from that, we are working inside the stables today. Anna is cleaning the floor, which we are going to paint. And that should be the last bit of painting we do on this floor.
Yes, and I have some fantastic news. The dog that we helped out looking for a home got adopted to friends of ours in Sweden. So that's amazing.
Good stuff. Okay guys, that's it for this one. We have installed the Starlink, we have painted the floor, and we are enjoying a sunset underneath a tree. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you for watching.
Ciao!
Ciao!